Hello viewers, today, we will show you how to active e-Invoice request using SQL accounting software. The SQL e-Invoice request feature simplifies the collection of a buyer's TIN information, allowing them to submit it at their own sweet time, without rushing, whenever it's convenient for them. Let's begin. After completing a sales invoice, to generate an e-Invoice request, first, select My Invoice and click e-Invoice request. Next, select the desired invoice format. An information box will appear, click OK, and the invoice report will be previewed. You can choose to print the invoice directly or download it as a PDF and share it with the buyer. The invoice includes a QR code that the buyer can scan. Once scanned, the buyer can either fill in their personal or company details manually, or use the latest powerful feature, autofill using My Invoice taxpayer QR code. This will automatically populate their information, saving time and reducing manual entry. After generated the e-Invoice request, an hourglass icon will appear next to the invoice. Clicking the icon will open the link that was shared with the buyer. If the hourglass icon is filled, it indicates that the buyer has successfully completed and submitted the required information for e-Invoice processing. If you want to cancel an e-Invoice request to prevent the buyer from submitting information for e-Invoice, simply click on My Invoice and select Cancel e-Invoice Request. Additionally, to check if the buyer has submitted their information for e-Invoice and update the invoice with the submitted details, click on My Invoice and then select Refresh e-Invoice Request Status. If the buyer has submitted the required information and it has been validated by LHDN, the status icon will change to Valid, and the invoice will be updated with the submitted details. And that's it. We've successfully completed e-Invoice request. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.